Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to resolve that if you are creating slides on your Google Slides that automatically there is an a PPT, another file of PowerPoint format. So this is duplicating automatically by the Google Slides. Here how to turn off that automatically automatic duplicating. So you just go to this triple line or this burger icon, and then you can click settings, and then you can see this is the option of create PowerPoint files alongside Google Slide files. So make sure you already turn it off so it will not be automatically duplicating your Google Slides files. Okay, that is this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.